Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai i30 Active X hatch, stock reference number 4533. This shape runs from the third month 2012 through to the second month 2017. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has severe damage in the front and bonnet area. It's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Where the left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Also has factory roof racks with all fittings, less keys. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, although not much has survived in the front of the car. We have the rear headrests, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, and right hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.